Hello guys, nna le tsola ka ke Akheng Kosibiela go tsa mmetse ka Sesotho tsatsing le. Fa nna ga na le equation ya rona e 3 to the power of x multiplied by 3 to the power of x plus 1 is equals to 27 to the power of x. So, ntho e re tlo qala ka yona, re tlo qala ka left hand side ya rona. So, if una le di bases tse tshwanang re add the exponent. So, we will have 3x plus x plus 1 is equals to 27 to the power of x. So, we will have the right hand side in our own. 27 is so, 27 is 3 to the power of 3x is equals to 3 to the power of x plus 1. So, we will introduce the laws of exponent. They happen. If we have a base, we will drop out the exponent. So, come on, x plus 1 is equals to 3x. So, add the like terms. What x plus x equal now 2x plus 1 is equals to 3x. So, we transpose 2x in a equal now 3x minus 2x. So, kamu nak bersalaga ini, bersalaga x, kamu nak bersalaga y. So, resolve the equation now is x is equals to y. So, how kita lakukan y tina lemu, oboshe tina lemu, oboshe mana itu fa untuk tujuan, itu fa 27. If we get 3 to the power of 1 multiplied by 3 to the power of 1 plus 1, we go for 27. Because how do you know what I'm going to 27?